These 3 things will make your YouTube channel explode and others go viral. Let's start with number 1, which is giving emotion to people. When you make people feel a certain way, they start to like you more or dislike you, but you get people to feel something and then watch the videos to either troll you or to give you comments. Engagement is really good, but take what you can handle. Second is entertainment. When you're entertaining someone like comedy or stuff like that, then you can invite to the person who's watching the video. It was just making them laugh or stuff like that. Entertainment wise. And the third one is education. And you can get money out of this too. So let me explain. When you teach people something, you can sell a course, you can do affiliate marketing, which I do have a video about that coming up, so be sure to think about it once. When you teach people, you give value to the people. And YouTube is the biggest search engine, but the biggest one of all, Google. So if you do how-to content, YouTube is the best place, because you can get found in Google and YouTube. If you find this helpful and you want to grow your YouTube channel, subscribe so I can help you out. And watch this video coming up next. And that is all. Have a great day.